Let's shift our focus now to Uttar Pradesh. Sources are telling your channel that Akhilesh Yadav will be meeting the Uttar Pradesh Governor Ram Naik later today. And this, remember, is about the UP journalist Jagendra Singh's case, which could be discussed in that meet. Ram Naik had also assured the family of justice, and Samya is with us live on this story right now from Shahjahanpur. Now, Samya, though we know that, the governor has put out an assurance saying that he has spoken to the chief minister, everything would be done to assure justice. But why is it taking so long, Samya? Isn't this a clear and a shut case? Where is this minister also who was alleged to be behind this? Is he behind bars? The answer is no. Is there an FIR? But, there is no action against him.
Well, yes, exactly. There seems to be no clarity as far as the whereabouts of the minister concerned, Ram Murthy Verma. And the Akhilesh government seem to have dug in their heels when it comes to taking any action against the minister mentioned in the FIR, because the government apathy towards the family who has been sitting on a dharna for the 5th day straight is very evident from the fact that so far they have not announced any compensation for the family. None of the Samajwadi Party leaders have perhaps come and met the family over here. The family had also taken seriously ill with deteriorating health for that matter. But having said that, the Tata Shivpal Yadav also a few days ago in a press conference had announced that no action will be taken against the minister concerned, Ram Murthy Verma, till he is found guilty after the investigation. But it seems that the Akhilesh government is not keen to order the CBI probe in this entire case just yet. And the other political party leaders have been, a stream of political party leaders who have been coming and visiting the spot.
Sorry to interrupt you, but on our screens right now, we are playing those visuals. I'm being told that meeting between the governor and the chief minister already has happened. Samya, do we have any word of what the UP chief minister really has said? Is he going to be doing anything about the case yet, Samya?
Well, so far we have not got any clarity as to what transpired between between the governor and the chief minister in this entire case. But we know for a fact that the governor had spoken to the family and assured help. The three standing demands being expulsion of the minister, the CBI probe, and some compensation for the family who've lost their breadwinner. But what exactly transpired in the meeting between the governor and the chief minister, there seems to be no clarity as such. But we are definitely gradually learning about the fact that the governor was keen to put this matter forward also to the prime minister, and central ministers from the centre is expected to come and visit the family over here in a day or two as well.
Okay, and Samya, before we move ahead and get our viewers more reactions, in fact, the DGP has also reacted. Samya, a very quick word from you on the kind of reactions we've seen from those in power in Uttar Pradesh. The police right from day one, in fact, has been calling this a suicide, Samya. And also, let's not forget that a UP minister had said that this is destiny, isn't it? I'll just return back to you, Samya. The UP DGP here is claiming that this is a case of suicide. This is his reaction.
ने मृत्यु पूर्व जो बयान दिया था, उनके आधार पे अन्य मौके पे जो हम लोगों ने भी जो साक्ष्य देखे थे, उनके घर वालों की बातों के आधार पे प्रथम दृष्टया यही बात सामने आती दिख रही थी और दिख रही है कि पुलिस वालों के जाने के बाद आग लगी। आग किसने लगाई है तो स्पष्ट नहीं थी, लेकिन ये जो नई थ्योरी आ रही है और वो भी 7-8 दिन बाद, वह निश्चित रूप से संदेहास्पद है और ये पूरे प्रकरण पर कई सारे प्रश्न चिन्ह लगाती है। एक बात तो यह भी आती है कि वो महिला जो काफी दिनों तक गायब थी, वो कहाँ थी, किनके प्रभाव में थी, किन्होंने उनको रखा हुआ था और अचानक उनका बयान क्यों बदल गया? क्योंकि पहले मीडिया में उन्होंने यही बात आई है कि उन्होंने स्पष्ट रूप से कहा था कि आग पुलिस द्वारा लगाई गई है। एक महिला द्वारा अचानक अपना बयान बदला जाना और फिर उसे तत्काल 164 CRPC का बयान क्रमबंद किया जाना निश्चित रूप से कई सारे प्रश्न छोड़ता है, जो जगेंद्र जी के परिवार वाले भी इसे बार बार इशारा कर रहे हैं। जो हालिया डेवलपमेंट हुआ है उस महिला के बयान का, उसने इस बात को और अधिक पुख्ता किया है कि संभवतः इसमें CBI जांच की अब बहुत अधिक जरूरत पड़ रही है, क्योंकि कहा जाता है निष्पक्षता सिर्फ होनी नहीं चाहिए, निष्पक्षता दिखनी भी चाहिए। और अभी विवेचना के प्रारंभ में ही तमाम प्रश्न आने शुरू हो चुके हैं। मेरी निगाह में जो बात गजेंद्र जी ने एकाधिक बार कहा, मजिस्ट्रेट के सामने कहा, मुझे मेरे पास भी CD है, उसमें भी उन्होंने कहा, तो वो अपने आप में बहुत अधिक महत्वपूर्ण है। मेरी दृष्टि में उनका बयान किसी भी अन्य साक्ष्य से ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है। उसके अलावा फॉरेंसिक साइंस तो महत्वपूर्ण नहीं है। मेरी दृष्टि में यह महिला जिस स्थिति में है, इनके बयान की कोई विशेष अहमियत नहीं मानी जानी चाहिए, क्योंकि निश्चित रूप से वो अकेली महिला हैं और जो वहाँ की राजनीतिक स्थितियां हैं उनमें उस महिला को अपने बयान बदलने में कोई बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत नहीं होती है।